Good morning all. So, it's almost 9 o'clock. This is my morning face and I thought I would do shut the dog because everyone's still sleeping. I thought I would do my makeup with you guys today for the summer. It is not warm. I mean it's warm, but it's not. I mean, yeah, apparently it's supposed to be raining outside right now, which it isn't, so let's hope that that's not a reality. But the highest is going to be about 20 degrees today. But my summer makeup has basically been the same recently, and I thought I'd film it for you and also just do like a no edit makeup just to show you guys how quick I get my makeup done now. Obviously this is just how I like it because I'm wetting my beauty blender. Actually, this is the Real Techniques one. I just recently haven't liked piling on the makeup, obviously interviews and stuff, but also I don't tend to wear much makeup anyway. I just like a little bit of cover up. So what I've been doing is I've got the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and contours, and I've got two colours, warm beige and light beige. Warm beige because I'm a little bit browner, which it definitely doesn't look like in this mirror, but I am the normal. I just put dabs all over my face. There's a fly in here, can you guys hear that? It's incredibly annoying. I also want to say I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products here, and that's basically all I do. So I'm not putting this in, and as I said, I like really light coverage, nothing ridiculous. I do try and pat rather than obviously wipe, which is what you're supposed to do with a beauty blender, but I keep calling it beauty blender. It's obviously not beauty blender, that's a brand, the Real Techniques sponge, but you guys get what I'm saying. But the patting motion is a lot better. Really hope it doesn't rain. And I honestly can tell you this probably is not, I mean this is even if I put makeup on, which most days I don't. Then under the eyes, I'll take the lighter one, light beige, and I'm going to go right in the tear duct there. And I'm just going to do a little swipe there and there, just to lift the eye ever so slightly because it's in a lighter colour. It's better. Blend that all in. With the corner of the eye, I like to use the point of it, and then I will use the flat side to lift up. And that looks quite stark on the eye, but it will all blend in really nicely, and it sets quite nicely, this concealer, which I like. I actually prefer wearing a concealer blended into my skin rather than a thick foundation. And then I've got this YSL contour stick, what's it called? Stick foundation in ebony. I'm gonna do a little bit of cream contouring. I'm not good at this, but I like to use the side of the sponge and kind of squeeze it and blend it down the side of my cheek and just keep tapping until it looks seamless. And then once I've got the majority of the colour out, like that, I will sponge on the back side, which is where I put the concealer on, so it all blends in. It's super, super natural. Just quickly do the same on the other side. I do sound a little bit croaky, it is the morning, but also I have had my morning coffee, so that should be kicking in very soon. Seems like I put, well, this side always seems darker in the mirror because this side the sun is like shining on me, the window's over there. As you can see, like in the indent on my cheek, there is where it's concentrated, and it doesn't look harsh if you look at the light properly. And then with what you can see the contour there, I just dab that ever so slightly in places I would like a little bit more, which will be like up on the temples, and then just around the chin area as well. I don't tend to add more there. It keeps on looking like it's hard, but that's honestly just the shadows that I'll show you guys later. Then, we're so almost done with this, by the way. I take the Maybelline Cheek Heat in Nude Burn, and I go from the palm onto my cheeks with this, and I go light, but also this blends out so nicely that it doesn't matter if you go a bit extra. And with the front side, I blend this in, so it blends in with a concealer. Now I'm obviously liking all the cream products for summer, which I think is quite natural for people to gravitate towards, but obviously just looks natural. I like to dab that on the nose after as well, so I look a little bit sun-kissed. Okay, now we're just going to put some mascara on, and I like to always curl my lashes. Telling you how quick this is. Obviously some people would like a lot more coverage than what I do. I would love to know how long it takes people to get ready, because as you can tell from this, I'm probably the quickest person to get ready out with my friends. And that's including all the boys. It's going super natural with the mascara there, but you can see that difference. So good. So I always like to curl, and I always like to use a waterproof mascara. I feel like it holds the curl a bit better. And I used to really like a wispy lash. Not wispy, a thick, like stark lash. And these days, I tend to like it quite more natural and wispy. Sometimes I put mascara on the bottom, sometimes I don't. I feel like I don't want to today. And then, because I'm doing this whole natural thing, I'm literally just going to put some Vaseline on my lips, and that's, my friends, is actually me done. Now I would normally add a setting spray, but the one I've got, which I think I'm currently using, the Huda Beauty one, is literally like spitting at me because it's running out, so I'm not going to use that. But this is all I do. Super natural makeup. Done in less than 10 minutes because obviously I've been talking the whole way through. And the cameras are currently at 10 minutes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't really do makeup stuff often, but it's interesting to see how people get ready and how different it is. And I hope you guys are enjoying the recent outfit. The day has gone back to the roots of my channel. It seems like you guys are enjoying them, so I hope you do. And I'll be definitely doing more of those, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys soon.